Alright, so I'm gonna go pick up a free riding lawnmower off of that NEXTDOOR app. Here's some of the stuff I'm taking to be prepared. Got my jumper box, just in case something happens to my truck. I need to jump it. I got my jumper box. As far as picking up the lawnmower, I got my little Harbor Freight air compressor, full of air. Got my air hose in my chuck in case it's got flat tires. I got a wheel dolly in case the tires are locked up in the rear, or maybe there's a whole tire missing or something, who knows. So I got one wheel dolly, the air compressor and the air hose. I'm gonna get my little trailer hooked up here in a minute. About the end of the day, sun's going down. Here's the stuff I got for free on the NEXTDOOR app today. Got this push mower, which is not locked up, but something going on with the wheel here. See that wheel going. So I got that from one pickup. Well, the first pickup of the day was this super awesome garden tractor, which runs and drives, they said. I haven't tried to fire it up yet. So that was the first pickup. Then the second pickup was this push mower, which this will probably be scrapped, but these wheels I can use on that Troy belt. I'm gonna try, because that bracket's all bent. So I'm gonna see if I can somehow get these wheels on that one. And then the third pickup was this aluminum ladder and this garage door opener. So this is the second garage door opener I've gotten in 2 days. It's pretty nice. They said it works. It's Craftsman. So let me get this stuff out of here and we can look at this Troy belt. Get that out of here. Little scrap pile. Lawnmower junkyard. Alright, let's look at this Troy belt that we got for free. I like it. Seems to be in decent shape. A 17.5 Briggs and Stratton power built. No deck. Guy said he was just using this to haul his grandkids around in the yard in a wagon, and they're too big now, and his wife's tired of looking at it. So they called me up when they saw my ad. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Free tractor. Love these tractors, man. Super fun to play with. See, this one seems pretty new. It's got that newer front end. Exciting.